Installing WordPress on SiteGround is quick and simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Log into your SiteGround account. Visit the SiteGround website and log into your account using your credentials. Go to the Site Tools. In the SiteGround dashboard, navigate to Websites and choose the domain where you want to install WordPress. Click on Site Tools. Open the WordPress installer. Inside the Site Tools, find the WordPress section on the left-hand menu. Click on Install and Manage. Choose Install Settings. Under the WordPress installer, select the domain where you want to install WordPress. Fill in important details like admin email, username and password for your WordPress admin account. You can also select your preferred language and choose if you want to install any plugins or themes. Click Install. After filling in the necessary details, click the Install button. The installation process will only take a few moments. Access your WordPress site. Once the installation is complete, you can access your WordPress dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/wpadmin and logging in with the credentials you set up.